Hello, in this first video lecture, we'll show you how to create first simple interactive sketches with AMICO. We'll create an interface where the user will have center screen with two buttons, and when it clicks on each of these buttons, it will go on a separate screen. We'll show how to create this interaction, how to create sketches, how to connect them, and how to visualize transition among states of user interaction. Okay, in this tutorial, we'll show you how to make first interactive sketches in AMICO. First, we'll create a new project. You can do it from File menu or from an icon in a toolbar. To create a new project, we simply give it a name. In this case, we'll just call it First Sketches, and it will create a separate folder where all your sketches and settings will be saved. Now we'll open a sketching window. The sketching window is a place where you can directly use freehand drawing to sketch your interfaces. Let's reduce the size so it makes it more smaller. First thing that you can do is to set which color would you like to use to sketch for your pen. In this case, it's black. And how thick would you like your pen, your stroke be? And now we'll create a simple screen with some kind of a sketch of two buttons, one inviting the user to press on it, and the other, with red color, instructing the user not to press on it. And let's also add some rectangles around it. Okay, now we have a first simple screen. We can also name sketches so that you can later on easily reference it. We'll call this one main window, or better, main screen, and save it. As you can see, also a tab gets this name. Now let's create a few more sketches. In this case, one more sketch for representing the screen, which will appear when we press on first or second button. Now let's create the sketch, the screen that will appear when you click the good button. In this case, we'll just write a simple thank you note for thanking the user for following our instructions. And we'll call this sketch good answer. Now we will create a separate sketch for bad answer. We also add a place for the user to return to main screen until he pressed the good answer. Okay, now we have three sketches, one for the main screen and two representing the state after pressing the first or the second button. Now let's go make this interactive. To do so, we'll switch to active region mode of the sketching window. In active region mode, you can turn parts of the sketch in active regions by simply dragging the place of the screen where you would like to have active region. Active region can capture mouse events and turn them into transitions in between the sketches. And we'll now see how this option can do. To do so, we'll go to settings of active region, go to mouse tab, which defines processing of mouse events, and say to the left mouse press, we want to go to sketch, and then we'll select which one of them. In this case, for first active region, it will be a sketch called good answer. Now let's immediately see how it works. We'll press the button play. Now we have the main screen, and when we click, we got the thank you note for an answer. Okay, now we'll turn the second part of the sketch in active region. In this case, we'll do the same. Go to properties of this active region and say on left mouse press, go to sketch, in this case bed answer. And we also do go to bed answer sketch and add active region, which enables us to return to main screen. Okay, now let's save this, go to main screen and test the interaction. Now you see that these two regions are active. When I click on the second one, I'll get this note. I can return to the main screen. And when I click on the first, I'll get thank you note. I can also use the back button to go to main screen. Now, what is also possible is to visualize these transitions among sketches so that you can see which possible states exist and where you can go from current state. This state transition diagram shows you all the sketches and link between them and actually possible transitions. You see that you can go from bad answer to main screen and vice versa, but you can go to only from main screen to good answer, but not back because there is no button to connect it. And now when I click on particular part, as I switch screens, the state will also be changed. In this way you could visualize the story behind your interface, basically transition that exists in the screens. Now we're back, we're closing the window and we're back to main screen of AMICO where you can see your sketches which you can later on open.